Is it possible to influence other countries and regions on TikTok than your own? For example, can people from Denmark or Spain get their content shown to people in the US or UK? That's what I want to discuss in this video, because a lot of you, including myself, don't want to be able to only reach your own country. I mean, I'm from Denmark, which is a really small country, so it would be super nice to be able to show my content to the whole world, so I can build an international brand. And I'm guessing that a lot of you want to do the same. And I've actually found a couple of ways that you can do this. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. Alright, so before I get too much into the technical stuff, I want to tell you a little bit about how the For You page works, because understanding this will lay the foundation for understanding the rest of what I'm going to show you in this video. So there seems to be a misunderstanding that the For You page is the exact same for everyone, which it's not. It's called the For You page because it tailors the content specifically for you. So every time you follow someone or stay a little bit longer on a video or engage with a video, TikTok learns from that and figures out what you like and what you don't like. And TikTok uses that data to show you more of the content that you like, so you will spend more time on the app. And by default, it will use your location to determine what kind of content you will potentially be interested in. So to begin with, everyone gets shown content from their own country. However, there is one way that you can change this, and that's by adding a second language to the app. You can do that by going to your TikTok page, and then you click on the three dots in the upper right corner. And then you scroll down and click on Content Preferences. And then you click on Video Languages. And then you're going to click on Add Language. And then you can choose the second language. Now, when I first started researching how to influence other countries on TikTok, I found that a lot of people was discussing that adding a second language to your app would get your content shown to other countries as well. However, that seems to be a misunderstanding, because the only thing that it does is telling TikTok that you are not only interested in seeing videos in your own language, but also in English, for example. So it only affects what you see on your For You page and not who sees your content. So if you're from Denmark like I am, and you want people from the US to watch your content, then they would have to add Danish as their second language. And we can't really control what they do, so this isn't really a viable way to influence other countries. My first thought when I encountered this problem was, that's easy, I'll just use a VPN. However, it wasn't as simple as I thought it was, because after installing the VPN and making some TikTok videos, I realized that it didn't help at all. So after doing some research, I found that TikTok has added an extra layer of security to make sure that people don't just use a VPN to get around this. Basically what it does is it reads your SIM card to determine where you're from. And this leads me to the next possible solution, which is removing or replacing your SIM card. Now, I haven't tried this solution myself, but after a lot of research, it seems like some people made it work by removing their SIM card and then using a VPN to change their location. So according to this solution, TikTok uses your SIM card to determine your location, but only if you have one. And if you don't have a SIM card in your phone, then TikTok uses your IP address to determine your location. And that you can change with a VPN. So if you want to try this yourself, then I would recommend that you use NordVPN. I used their app while I was in Shanghai and it worked super well. So I'll link that in the description for those of you that want to try that. Another similar solution that seemed to work for people was that they bought a SIM card from the country that they wanted to reach, and they used that while they posted on TikTok. So if you want to reach people in the US, then you simply need an American SIM card, and I believe that you can get that on Amazon. But again, I want you to know that I haven't tried this myself, because it seems like a quite annoying solution, so I don't really want to bother with this. But I still wanted to mention these solutions, because then you can decide for yourself if you want to try them out. Alright, so if you're not that technical and you don't really want to remove your SIM card and stuff like that, then I have a final solution for you. And this solution is something that you can do inside of the app. There are some TikTok accounts that are known by a worldwide audience, and how is that even possible if you can primarily reach your own country? It could seem like TikTok uses some kind of tier system. So if your video reaches a certain amount of virality in your own country, then TikTok will slowly start testing your videos in other countries. And then if it keeps performing well in other countries, then TikTok will keep pushing your content to more and more people from all over the world. So the solution to growing a worldwide audience on TikTok could be to just dominate your own region to begin with, and then with time, when you have a certain amount of virality, you'll be able to reach a worldwide audience. But of course, there are some drawbacks by doing this. For example, I have found that it's way easier to go viral when you speak your native language, and if that language isn't English, then your content won't fit internationally. So that might make it a little bit hard to reach a global audience if that's the case. Personally, I've just decided to go with my native language, which is Danish, and then I try to dominate my country because it's just way easier going viral and growing an audience that way than speaking English in my videos. And it might not enable me to grow a worldwide audience on TikTok, but I still get a lot of reach and followers that I can take with me to other platforms like YouTube and Instagram. And on those platforms, I can easily reach a worldwide audience. And I personally believe that I will grow faster this way than trying to speak English in my videos. So that's what I have chosen to do. I really hope you found this video helpful, even though I can't give you a clear-cut answer. And as always, if you want to watch more of my videos about TikTok, then make sure you watch these videos over here. Make sure you subscribe to my channel for more videos just like this, and I'll see you guys in the next video.